Hey everyone, hope you're doing well, and you're probably watching this video because you can't get your Craftsman tractor started. And so I wanted to take a couple of minutes here and explain what I found, because it was not obvious. I've been tinkering with this tractor all week, trying to get it started up for the first time in the season, and it just would not start. I originally thought it was bad gas, so I sucked out all the gas and put fresh gas in, and it wouldn't start. So the next thing you're going to check is your ignition, and I was getting sparks. You can pull the spark plugs out of the hole, lay them on the cylinders, and you'll see a spark when it turns. And you got fuel and spark and compression. I even did a compression check, and I got strong compression on everything. So I had the three elements: compression, spark, and fuel, in order to get this thing started, and it would not start. So I've been an aircraft mechanic for many years, and a small engine's really simple compared to an aircraft, and it was just baffling. Couldn't find any information on the internet, and so finally, when I did find the solution, I felt that if I made this video and helped somebody else out, you'd be able to fix your tractor a lot faster than I could. This is about a 2001 Craftsman LT1000. It's got the Briggs and Stratton 19.5 horsepower. It's got the 4600 series engine in it, and which is just a opposed two-cylinder engine. So as I mentioned, did everything, double checked all the ignition. I even put a new coil on it, thinking maybe, even though I had a spark, it was weak, and this tractor would not start. It would crank and crank and crank. Anyway, I, for some reason, happened to pull the flywheel off for a second time, because I had already had it off. And when I put it back on the first time, I noticed that I had the keyway in there and had everything all lined up, and still would not start. Finally, I just happened to pull the flywheel off for a second time, and I noticed something a little bit strange when I pulled it off, and I had a keyway. The key was both in the crankshaft slot and the flywheel, and what happened is it had sheared off, and the flywheel was just off just a couple of degrees, so it was throwing the timing off. While I had spark, it wasn't sparking at the right time and letting everything fire up. So was able to run over to my local Ace Hardware, got the new key, 22698S. They were $5 for a 3-pack. You can get them a little bit cheaper on the internet. Threw the new key in, and she should fire right up. And that was it. Just the flywheel was off just a couple of degrees because of that sheared cotter pin. And even though I had pulled the flywheel a couple times, it's such a small part that didn't notice that it was off. So a week's worth of headache and head scratching and everything, and it was a part that was $1.25. Hope this helps somebody else out in the future, and hit like on the video. Talk to you later. Bye.